Welcome! Today we are introducing Shared Library, a new enterprise add-on option, bringing data standardization to teams using NetSkeme Plus. Similar to the existing enterprise add-on, Shared Library allows NetSkeme Plus users to control and edit application settings, parts lists, ports lists, drawing templates, and preferred manufacturers via an organization administrator in our project space. But where enterprise teams once had to upload a library created with HydroCAD to share across their team, they can now build, edit, and manage libraries within the NetSkeme application. These libraries can handle up to 50,000 symbols and are stored within the organization's account on the cloud. Administrators set permissions determining who can read, write, or delete data from these libraries. So there's the pitch. Now let's dig into the application, and I'll show you exactly how to launch standardization and library management across your organization with the new Shared Library feature. Now let's log into the application. I will be demonstrating from a NetSkeme Plus account with all applicable permissions enabled. We will cover 3 different ways users can add symbols to the Shared Library. 1. Directly from the drawing. 2. Using symbol build mode. And 3. Copying from a personal library. Please note, when editing is enabled for Shared Library, users cannot add to their personal My Library. Other users within the organization cannot edit the Shared Library at the same time, and if needed, the administrator can log into our project space, select the user, and release the library edit lock. This will disable Edit Library for the existing user and allow another user to start editing. Similar to the personal My Library, users can also add, edit, rename, or delete folder structure within the Shared Library. Let's add a symbol from the drawing. Left-click on a symbol and select Edit Model Data. Existing model data will be shown, and if you'd like to make any data edits before adding to the library, you may do so at this time. Select Save to Shared Library, and then select the folder to add within the Shared Library. The symbol can now be found within the Shared Library and added to the canvas. Let's add a custom symbol from Symbol Build Mode to the Shared Library. Note that the default component type is miscellaneous, but that can be changed to better describe the symbol. Once the symbol is complete, select Save to My Library from the top ribbon menu. Once the symbol is saved, return to drawing mode, insert it into the drawing from the Shared Library, select, right-click, and edit the model data. If you save to the Shared Library, you'll overwrite the existing symbol that lacks model data. If you select the arrow dropdown, you can save the symbol with the added model data as a new file in the library, which will also allow you to choose a different save location within the library. This can be a helpful feature for symbols that are visually identical but have different model data. Finally, let's demonstrate sharing artifacts from a personal library to the Shared Library. If one user has carefully curated a personal My Library that they'd like to share with others, they can right-click to copy a folder from My Library and paste into the Shared Library. They can also copy individual symbols along with associated model codes into the Shared Library. That's all for today. If you have any additional questions about the Shared Library feature or would like to discuss an order, contact support@vestusa.com or sales@vestusa.com.